Hello, this video is about all the services included when it comes to maintaining turf. My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. Now, obviously, the main thing that we do mostly with turf is we mow and edge it. Now, usually we take on clients that have grass at least weekly or every 2 weeks at the least frequent. So this way the grass is getting mowed often enough here in the Phoenix area to keep it well maintained, looking sharp, green, and healthy. We also fertilize, which is an additional service that can be added to increase the health of the lawn, improve the green, and just make it look nice and full and lush throughout the year. We also include services like pet waste service, if you'd like to include that in your regular maintenance. We can also do thatching once a year, which we usually recommend doing in October. We also do aeration. Aeration we like to do in February and March to get in preparation for the springtime, and what that'll do is pull the plugs out of the ground just to loosen the soil. And we also do overseeding, scalping, and planting in October also for the winter lawn. And we also do weed control in the lawn areas. There's a way to treat the weeds in the turf areas without impacting your grass. Once again, my name is Eli Hall. I'm with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. Please follow us online at AMS Landscaping on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube page at AMS Landscaping also. And wherever you're seeing this content, please like, share, or comment. Thanks much. Make it a great day.